We'll guide you through how to download WWE 2K26 on PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install WWE 2K26 on your PC step by step. So let's get started. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Steam website. If you don't have Steam installed, click Install Steam and download the Steam installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam. After Steam is installed, open it and sign into your Steam account. Once you're inside Steam, click on the Store option at the top and search for WWE 2K26. Click on WWE 2K26 to open its official store page. If you haven't purchased the game yet, select the edition you want, click Add to Cart, and complete the purchase. Once you've purchased the game, click on Library at the top. Now find WWE 2K26 in your library and click on it. Then click the Install button and choose the drive where you want to install the game. After that, click Next or Install to start the download.